This week in the galley, we're back aboard my boat, the Mi Sueño 3, and standing next to me is Keith Allman, celebrity chef, been kind of come back down with us again and do some recipes for us. And Keith, thanks for coming out and joining us today.
Nice to be here.
It's beautiful weather out here in Long Beach.
I know, I forgot my suntan lotion though.
That's nice. So what do you have in store for us today?
Well, today we're going to cook rockfish in a bamboo steamer. I already have the water in the bottom of this wok. It's important we use a wok so that it connects well with the bamboo steamer and it goes up through the steamer. Water's nice and hot. The first thing we want to do is you want to oil the surface that we're going to put the fish on. So get that nice and oiled.
I know you do that with bamboo.
Yeah, no problem. Just put it in the dishwasher. When you're done, it all comes clean. We're going to season the rockfish with a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of lemon.
Okay,
the great thing about this dish, very light. There's no added oil. Just what we put on the surface to lubricate it.
Help keep it from sticking. And this is rockfish that we caught locally here.
A little more salt and pepper. A little more lemon. All right. We're going to put that cover. Next thing we're going to do is add our bok choy. That goes on the top.
Oh, so this is the multi-level steamer.
That's correct. And this, we don't have to put
Any oil?
any oil. This isn't going to stick too much.
And at this point, we just let it sit now for 5 minutes?
About 5 minutes and then we'll check it. So in the meantime, let's make a sauce that we can put on top when it's done. It's very simple, very light. Tablespoon of rice vinegar, tablespoon of soy sauce, and the rest of this lemon. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. Let's check it now.
Oh, that looks really good.
Yeah, it does look good. Yeah, it's ready. You want to hold that, Dan?
Sure, I'll hold this.
Okay, thank you. Whew. I'll show you the proper way to plate bok choy is to fold the leaves underneath.
You want to fold it underneath, huh?
Doesn't that look nice?
Yeah, looks good. Now we put your sauce on it?
Yeah, let's put some of the sauce on it. Pour it right from the bowl.
Looks good. Oh, I got to try this rockfish that I caught, you cooked. That is delicious.
Nice and tender, huh?
Nice and tender. And I like where you can tell how fish is cooked. It just starts to flake apart there. And this is delicious. Nice, beautiful pieces like that. It's really good. Thanks, Keith. This is easy dish. You can do it at home. Do it on a boat like this. Easy to do. Great, simple dish. We're catching a lot of rockfish with the water being colder the last couple of years. Good recipe to do. But thanks again.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Well, let's get back on the water and show you more exciting action right here on Sport Fishing.